How is it going, guys? Welcome to cardbreakkids.com. We are doing our sixth and last personal box for John R, because PV2 will be taking the other box, the last one. Box number 3 for you, John. Good luck, my man. Hope to land you something sweet. The bottom short print is, you guessed it, for the Boston Celtics, 13 of 15, Dennis Johnson. So many Celtics. So you guys know what team to buy in Gold Standard from now on. 13 of 15. Al Jefferson. Charlotte. Paul Millsap, $2.99. See, I knew these were 2 per case. I think this is what it is. But, yep. Golden Debuts, Larry Nance Jr., 2 per case, 5 of 50. 5 of 50. Larry Nance Jr. Here's another one. Devin Booker. Prime patch, 15 of 25. I guess this is the Suns case. Good as gold. 15 of 25. 15 of 25. Good as gold. And your rookie is Kelly Oubre Jr., 21 of 199. In the other case that we opened for the half case in eBay yesterday, got the 1-of-1 of this exact card with the logo, man. Kelly Oubre. And your last card is Mr. Ron Harper, 29 of 75 Golden Graphs. Ron Harper. All right, there you go. Thanks, John. Appreciate it as always.